Hey guys, today on Mr. Monster Box, I'm here with my friend Reed.
Hey.
And we have a beast,
devil.
Yes,
a
of
devil.
a train right here.
Yeah. We
Okay,
have
so,
what year is this? Oh my god, it's so hard to see. And 2010.
Scarlowy?
No, this is Scarlowy.
Oh, right.
This is a battery-operated powered Rosie, all metal from Wooden Railway. Don't ask me why it is not.
Wooden Railway.
Yeah, don't ask me. Okay, that's Trackmaster.
That's Trackmaster,
So,
but we put Wooden Railway on it.
Yeah, so we're gonna see what is going on inside this engine. It doesn't work, and I don't know if the batteries are corroded. Let's just get the camera on the screwdriver, because everybody knows, everybody loves screwdriver shots. Yep. Okay, this thing is kind of a devil to pull apart. Okay, it's apart. And this thing is on the off position, so yeah, no name battery, no name brand. You know how sensitive people are when they see. So it's on the off position. Oh my god! What? This thing is on.
Devil.
This is the devil engine. Oh my god! The
wheels aren't even moving.
Yeah, the wheels. The wheels aren't even moving. Stop. The wheels aren't even moving, and it's in the off position. What? See what? When I push down, it's on the on position. There's no way of stopping this engine except just ripping the battery out and then throwing it across the bed.
Yep, he did.
So that is it for today. See you guys later. Let's just say that this engine is up for the scrap yards.
Oh yeah. And bye guys.